Okay, this is the Jonas. Has a nice flat base. That's just going to help prevent rolling. Has detail all throughout the packer. So you can see it's really squishy. This is an uncircumcised version. Just want you to see the squish that it has. That squishiness makes it pack really, really nice. Now, the packing options that I would recommend for this particular product would be a top-loading packer. So the truck boxer, brief, or a top-loading boxer or brief. Top-loading just means there's an opening at the top, okay? It's wide enough for the Jonas to sit comfortably. And then we have the trucks. The trucks do have an internal O layer. Let's go ahead and open that up so you can see what that looks like. So you pull the shaft through here, and then you can tuck it into the front. Alternatively, you can actually pack all of the Jonas on the interior pocket as well. There are two different versions of the trucks. There's a top opening and then a side opening here. It just depends what your preference is.